Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you happen to be, wherever you are in the world at this particular moment. Welcome to Captain Fawcett's HQ, and I should like to introduce you. In fact, you may well be strange. Kariba. Where today my special guest, who will be no stranger to many of you, is none other than Mr. Gustav Temple, he of the famed sartorial elegance magazine, The Chap.
We are absolutely delighted to be announcing a collaboration between The Chap and Captain Fawcett on a stunning new moustache wax for gentlemen called simply...
What?
Sorry. And the name of this moustache wax is going to be...
Debonair.
Why Debonair? Because Debonair is the perfect word.
Hello, it's my mum. Excuse me. Mum, I've told you never to call me at work. Later. Thank you. Bye.
We met in a hostelry in Brighton, and the right-hand man asked me, what do you want Debonair to smell like? And I said, without hesitation, pipe tobacco, old leather armchairs and malt whiskey. And that's more or less precisely what we have, isn't it?
Yeah, but Captain Fawcett already made a whiskey moustache wax, so we wanted to do something different. And the leather, well, that's kind of been done. But the pipe tobacco, that was really interesting, because, I mean, it's part of the Chap magazine's logo, isn't it? I mean, the trilby and the pipe. So that's where it's come from. And I believe we've created something really rather special. So the Chap moustache wax, Debonair, will be available from both Captain Fawcett's HQ and, of course, none other than the Chap magazine itself. I thank you, and good day.
It's really...
Oh!
That was perfect.
Was that you?
One may perhaps be asking, why is a chap creating a moustache wax when he is quite clearly a bit bereft, sans moustache, a bit bereft on the upper lip? The reason for this is that I, for one, cannot grow a moustache. I simply cannot. The hair just won't arrive on a moustache.
You can send funds to a bank account number which will be released a little bit later.